Rachel here. Today, I'd like to show you how to track your business development opportunities and just track your relationship development here within Followup, aside from projects. Not related to any actual project leads, but more business development. So we'll go into the companies and contacts section. You can track all of this within the companies and contacts. So if you have a brand new company that you're looking to track a relationship, you just got their business card or flyer from a trade show you went to, we'll put in our new company 123. Let's see if let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we've got new company 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got, we'll just call her Rachel Smith. And we are going to say that this is a private owner, or let's do a GC. And then Rachel is, we'll just say CEO. And then we will, obviously, if you put in the address, all those things, email, let's just put, testing 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 at gmail.com, and we'll click create. So this creates the new company within the system with Rachel as the contact. So say you'd like to schedule some activities for yourself with Rachel. You want to follow up with her, you want to have a breakfast meeting, you can come over to this activities section in Rachel's page, click activities, and you'll see the follow-up is the one that is standard. That will always be there. These I've customized for myself. So I went ahead and added lunch meeting, game tickets, phone call, text into here. So I can schedule anything that I'd like, a follow up with Rachel on the 15th, and then maybe we'll plan for a lunch meeting on the 22nd. We already had that scheduled from our first conversation. And I'll click save. I can track these activities just the same as I would any project activities on my activity wall. Now you'll notice that this gave me an error. I wasn't able to save it because I haven't identified a user. This would be the account manager for Rachel's relationships. I will call myself the account manager and we will click save. So now those activities have been saved. You can also create custom fields. So here's a custom field here. If you'd like it to be a text, say you want to maybe put in, I don't know, hobbies. So you could put, fishing and, soccer or something like that. You can customize these fields, and I'll show you where you can do that here in a moment. So this is how you're able to track that. You're also able to track a status. So if this is inactive or a lead, maybe a marketing qualified lead, a current customer. So I'll go ahead and call this, I'll call Rachel a sales qualified lead and save her as a sales qualified lead right there. So obviously you can pull lists, run analytics, anything like that. And these statuses are customizable as well. So let me show you where you customize these items. It's under company settings. The first place that I'll show you is the sales activities. So if we come to sales activities, these are the project sales activities that you have set up on a project page. And now we'll go to the contact side. So as you can see, I added lunch meeting, game tickets, phone call, and text all within here. I can add as many as I'd like. Then the custom fields that we set up are under contact custom fields. So right here, you can see that this is where you can customize all of the statuses for the contacts. And you can also track the custom fields here. So this was the custom field that was text created. I can also add a new one. If I want to make it a drop-down one, I can say, I don't know, favorite sports team. And then you can put a list of the favorite sports teams. I would just identify a load order, enable it. And then if I come to here, I would add whatever sports teams and create the drop-down list right here. So those are the places that you can customize, but that is how you can run your business development and relationship development activities here within Followup. Happy selling.